If you've been charged with child molestation or a sexual offense involving a child or a minor, it's a pretty serious offense. There's a lot of social stigma that goes and is attached to a crime like that. So it's important that you get representation from someone that actually has done these. I've done dozens of these over the years. I've been practicing for over 12 years, and 95% of my practice is exclusively criminal defense. On a crime like this, where it's a he said versus she said, one of the things that an effective criminal defense attorney will do is find ways to discredit the alleged victim and her testimony. She has probably done an interview, or he has probably done an interview at the Children's Justice Center. A lot of times we're finding that those interviews with the children have been done improperly, where they have suggested and done leading questions to the children, which is a suggestibility defense. That basically means that we can prove that the way they asked the questions was leading the witness or leading the child to elicit certain responses. Another thing we have done successfully is we've looked into the medical and the therapy records of the alleged victim to see whether or not they had some mental illness or mental disorders. One of the disorders that's common is a separation anxiety disorder, where one child wants to be with another parent, and then the parent might have a role in suggesting that the child or coaching the child say a certain thing in order to implicate the other parent so that they don't get parent time. Or because they're trying to attack the other parent, they try to get a termination of parental rights through the back door of an accusation like this. So it kind of sets the stage for a termination of parental rights. That's totally abusing our justice system when we see that parents do that, but it does happen. It's unfortunate. Other times we see other mental disorders that are reasons why children make up allegations like this. I had a case recently where a child was disciplined by her stepfather, and the discipline involved taking away her text privileges because she was texting a 16-year-old boy that they told her not to text. They told her for weeks and weeks not to text this boy. The boy was a sex offender, and the boy was a danger to this child who was 13. So when the stepfather came in and took away her privileges, she got upset. There was witnesses that showed that she stomped off to her room, she slammed the door, hit the walls, damaged some property, and the next day she accused him of touching her inappropriately, of all things. So now that is something that we've had to expose and deal with, and interview through a number of witnesses that we've interviewed. We've been able to find out that she is someone that has made things up about other people, and in order to get what she wants. And this happens regularly. And so let us help you find out and investigate whether or not any of these other defenses that we've used in the past have worked and can work on your case. Even if you did something wrong and inappropriate to a child, it's not the end of the world. We've handled other cases where people have candidly admitted to us that they did something inappropriate and they want to get their life back, they want to make amends, make restitution, get the help that they need. We have the resources available to do that and to get you steered in the right direction. So whatever scenario we're talking about, we're here to help. But give us a call and we'll let you know what we can do to mitigate the damages so that everyone, including the alleged victim and you and your family, can move on and get the help they need. Give us a call right now and set up that free consultation.